Okay. Dear students, you are now all class 10. Okay, today is your first class, and your science book. There are three parts you are already known: biology, physics, and chemistry. From biology part, you have to study number one chapter, life process. Understood? Life process. Okay, it is the very big chapter and most important chapter. Next, control and coordination. Next, reproductions in living organism. Okay, our environment. Okay, that chapters are our natural resources. That chapters are include the biology subject. Okay. Okay. So today is the first class. So I introduce about some topics. I have so many doubts in my life in that about environment and have so many questions. Dear students, you can answer that questions which I asking you. What is the number one question? What do you mean by living things? What is the difference between living and non-living? Dev Kumar, unmute you and give answer. Difference between
Shall
living and non-living.
living things who make the foods uh, and work anything go
Okay, that means living
place.
things means which organisms have proper growth systems. They can
Yes,
give
sir.
response. Okay, to the environmental effect from the environmental effect. Okay, and non-living things have no any growth process, have no any
Yes, sir.
responses to the environmental effect. This is known as non-living things. Also, which things have no any fooding system, digestive systems. Okay, those are known as non-living. Okay, when and in which way plants and animals are grown up. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स कैसे ग्रोथ होता है बताओ तो, ये चीज मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। कैसे आपकी ग्रोथ हो रहा है ये बताओ तो। आप देखो KG1 में पढ़ते थे, अब 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 करते करते अभी क्लास 10 बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो, है ना। तो कैसे आपका डेवलपमेंट हुआ बताओ तो। यहाँ पे कौन बताएंगे आंसर? पीयूष, पीयूष पटेल। कैसे आप डेवलप हो गए हैं इतना, ठीक है, कैसे आप पढ़ाई कर लेते हो, कैसे आप छोटे से बड़े हुए हैं, क्या क्या आपके में चेंजेस आया बताओ तो। पीयूष पटेल, अनम्यूट यू पीयूष। ओके, हैव सम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम। अमन नायक, Aman
Yes,
Nayak,
sir.
and you tell the answer how we can develop.
Sir, we are living beings, so sir.
Taking food. Okay, we are
Yes,
taking
sir.
different
Agree.
type of foods. Okay, we are doing exercise. Okay, they are drinking
Yes,
water.
sir.
For these reasons we are developed from small to large, and also develop our muscle systems. Okay, our brain maturity systems. Okay, and living organism means, what do you mean by
Foreign
living
body shape
organisms?
and size.
Yes, yes. What do you mean by living organisms? Another characters, living organisms, another characters is they have respiration process. Respiration process, they can breathe, okay, and they are have reproduction systems. They produce new offspring from parental offspring. These are the characters of living organisms. In case of plants, plants are living or non-living. Plants are living or non-living. They have
Sir,
Living.
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 plants are living. Have
Living.
any
Living
evidence
thing.
of living characters?
Living.
Why are you say these plants are living?
Sir, because
Because
they
they can
also
grow.
breathe and grow.
Because they grow.
Ah, sorry, you give answer. Why plants are living? Why you call plants are living?
Because uh, they uh, they get minerals from soil.
Yes,
They get
yes.
food.
They have growth. ठीक है, they have growth. Plants can move from one place to another plant, another place.
No.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
no.
No, sir.
No,
Our
sir. They
plants
can't.
are not move one place to another place, but human move from one place to another place. Why? We can say plant is living. They have only
Because they
growth.
can
For
grow.
that reasons, we can say that plants are living.
Sir, may I say?
But plants can grow according to their light directions. ओके जिस साइड में लाइट है उस साइड में प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ हो सकते हैं, जिस साइड में वाटर है उस साइड में क्या होते हैं ना, वो रूट का ग्रोथ हो सकता है, पता है ना? ओके
Sir, they yes. also
देखो
prepare.
सनफ्लावर देखियो, सनफ्लावर सनफ्लावर देखियो, जैसे सनलाइट की मूवमेंट होते रहता है तो क्या होते हैं, सनफ्लावर जो है उसका भी क्या हो जाते हैं, मूवमेंट होना स्टार्ट, मूवमेंट हो जाता है, देखियो ना? तो ये जो सब कैरेक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्स देता है, तो ये सब के कारण से हम प्लांट्स को भी क्या बोल सकते हैं ना, एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? बट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन विच वे दे कैन in which way they can that work. That means why plant move their organs, that means leaves, roots from one direction to another direction, not transfer from one place to another place. Okay, देखो क्या होते हैं, लीफ क्या होते हैं ना, उसका भी देखो मूवमेंट हो जाता है, किस तरीके से, लाइट के डायरेक्शंस में। सनफ्लावर उसका देखो मूवमेंट होते हैं, रूट उसका भी मूवमेंट होता है, ठीक है? तो ग्रीन पार्ट जो रहते हैं लीफ, वहां पे क्या होते हैं ना, फ्लावर, ये प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं। What do we mean by photosynthesis? In which way they complete their photosynthesis process? Okay, these are the different type of questions from plants. And next one, some questions about our physiological systems. That means how we can digest our food, how we breathe 24 hours. Okay, in which way we can develop our body. ओके, तो इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो ये सब क्वेश्चन की सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे बताओ? तो इसीलिए हमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज द लाइफ प्रोसेस। लाइफ प्रोसेस, व्हाट डू मीन बाय लाइफ प्रोसेस? लाइफ मीन्स लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड प्रोसेस मीन्स देयर डेली एक्टिविटीज, टोटल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ देयर लाइफ। Okay, their response systems, immunity systems, reproduction systems, growing systems, digestive systems, respiration systems. Okay, these are all we have to study in that chapter, that is the life process. Understood? Okay, so the life process is your first chapter and it is the largest chapter. Okay, in that chapter we have to study different topics such as nutrition, digestion. Nutrition means, what do you mean by nutrition? When any living organism taking their food particles, after then they digest and absorb through the cell, and result that living organisms grow and develop their body. This is known as nutrition. Okay, understood? Nutrition. Nutrition is only for living organisms, that means only animals, only humans have nutrition systems. Our plants have nutrition systems. Our plants have nutrition systems. Students,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes, plants
Yes.
also have nutrition systems. For the growing, for the growth, plants also need nutrition. Okay? Which type of nutrition plants are taken?
The autotrophy.
Hmm? They
The
take their
autotrophy.
nutrients, they take their nutrient materials and minerals from soil through root, through the water. Water के थ्रू क्या करते हैं ना, प्लांट्स रूट्स के थ्रू क्या होते हैं, और मिनरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स सॉइल से लीफ तक लेके जाते हैं, ठीक है? ऐसे दे आर प्रेजेंट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू सिस्टम्स. व्हिच टिश्यूज आर प्रेजेंट? vascular tissue systems. You are already studied in class 9th chapter, tissues chapter. Okay, vascular tissue systems, xylem and phloem. Okay, and in plant body there are present xylem and phloem tissue. That xylem tissue helps to transfer the water and minerals from root to leaf. After then they are prepare their food materials, that means carbohydrate during the photosynthesis. Then that carbohydrate food materials, sucrose materials are transferred to the all over the body through phloem. Okay, in this way plants grow. Their cell division is going on. Plants have also different type of cells. You are already studied in class 9. That is meristematic cell, permanent cell. Okay, and simple permanent type cells. Meristematic cells, which cells are continuously divided, those are known as meristematic cells. Okay, याद है क्या नहीं ये सब क्लास 9 में था?
पढ़े सर।
Okay, so meristematic tissue, when that food material nutrients are transferred and stored into the meristematic tissue, then that tissues, that cells are going to divide, start their division. As results, grow up the plants. Okay, in the and also they are present different type of enzymes and hormonal effect. Plants also have enzyme and hormones which help to develop their body structures. Their stem, to develop their stem, develop their leaf. Okay, they are needed different type of hormones. We will study in control and coordination chapters. There are different type of hormones of plants, plant hormones. There are different type of plant hormones and their activities. So must you have to join bio class each and every day. If you lack
Yes, sir.
class, then you cannot understood the next topic. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So life process means क्या हुआ? Life process means there we have to study about plants, animals and microbes, because every living organisms and their physiological activities. This is known as life process. तो क्या क्या पढ़ना है life process में हमको? Number 1, nutrition system. Okay, nutrition system, everything. Digestive system. Okay, next digestive systems. Next respiration systems. Respiration systems. Okay, next
Breathe.
respiration excretion systems. Excretion systems. Next,
Transportation.
hmm?
Transportation.
Transportation systems. Transportation systems. Okay, so nutrition means plants and also animals. Type of nutrition, there are mainly two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means autotrophic nutrition means क्या होते हैं? What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition?
They make their own food.
Which organisms prepare their own foods. They cannot depend on any other organisms. Okay, these are known
They do
as
not depend on
autotrophic
water.
nutrients. Understood? Example, only green plants. Okay, plants are all autotrophic nutrients. Some bacteria also autotrophic nutrients. Examples, Anabina nostoc, which is also known as blue-green algae. Short form is BGA. Okay, blue-green algae, nostoc, Anabina. Those bacteria, prokaryotic bacteria are autotrophic nutrients. Okay. Next is heterotroph. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means क्या होते हैं? What do you mean by heterotrophic nutrition?
The
Which
living are
organisms
the
they
living
depend
things
on
that
another
depend on
organisms
another.
for their nutrition. This is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Such as we are all heterotrophic nutrition because we are not depend selfly for our nutrition systems. We need different type of food source from the plants because we cannot prepare our own food. Okay, we are depend totally directly and indirectly on plants. Okay, for this reason we are all heterotrophs. Okay, next today I discuss on basic things about that all topics. After next class, from next class, then we detail about the nutrition systems. Okay. Next, digestive systems. Digestion systems means in human body mainly we study about humans and amoeba digestion systems. Okay. In your 10th syllabus, humans digestion systems where digest our food materials, that food material digest in our alimentary canal systems, which is also known as digestive systems. We are taking different type of foods such as protein, carbohydrate, fat. Okay, these foods are totally digest in our alimentary canal systems. After that food materials are absorbed in different form, that is carbohydrate, fat is absorbed in our body in fatty acid form. Okay, proteins absorbed in our body through amino acid form. After that nutrient materials are entered in our the cells. As a result, cells grow and we protect from different type of disease. As a result, develop our immunity systems. Okay, we can fight with different type of germs because in that environment they are present different type of germs, bacteria, viruses. Okay, those are very harmful. Okay, if we have no any immunity systems, then we can easily illness. We can suffer all times in illness. Okay, to develop our immunity systems, we need proper fooding systems, proper nutritive system, proper nutrients. Okay, if we not take proper nutrients, then we can continuously faces different kinds of disease, maybe infectious, maybe non-infectious. You are all known meaning of infectious and non-infectious disease because in class 9 we are studying why do you fall ill. In that chapter we are studying different type of disease. Understood? Digestive systems, process of digestion, organs of digestive systems, alimentary canals की क्या क्या organs present रहते हैं, ठीक है, माउथ, इसोफेगस, लंग, ये माउथ, इसोफेगस, in stomach, small intestine, large intestine, okay, and as these are the digestive systems parts of digestive systems. Understood? In case of plant, they have no alimentary canal systems, but they have one type of system which is known as photosynthesis. Okay, during the photo, what do you mean by photosynthesis? In the presence of sunlight and water and carbon
Air
dioxide
and water.
convert into carbohydrate food. That materials are converted into light energy, convert into carbohydrate food materials. Okay, this is known as photosynthesis. Okay, the photosynthesis cannot be occur without carbon dioxide and light and water. ये तीन कंपोनेंट चाहिए और कहाँ पे होते हैं? इनसाइड द क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्लोरोफिल। क्लोरोफिल के अंदर क्या होते हैं? ये फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है। क्लोरोफिल रहेगा तभी वो फोटोसिंथेसिस होगा। एंड क्लोरोफिल आल्सो डिफाइंड टाइप ऑफ पिगमेंट। क्लोरोफिल्स हैव डिफाइंड टाइप ऑफ पिगमेंट सिस्टम्स। क्या क्या पिगमेंट रहते हैं? क्लोरोफिल ए, क्लोरोफिल बी, क्लोरोफिल सी, कैरोटीन, xanthophyll. These pigments are present inside the chlorophyll. Okay, that pigments are helped to proceed their photosynthesis process. Okay, after completion of photosynthesis, they develop carbohydrate food materials which are very important for the plants. Okay, these food materials are stored in the plants in different process and different organs. Some plants store their food material in their leaf such as bryophyllum. Some plants store their food material in the fruits, seeds. Okay, maximum fruit plants are store their food materials and in seed for the next generation. Some plants also store their food materials in root such as स्वीट पोटैटो। ओके, ये सब जो होते हैं रूट्स में वो क्या होते हैं, फूड मटेरियल को स्टोर करके रखते हैं। सम प्लांट्स स्टोर देयर फूड मटेरियल इन द स्टेम। सुगर कैन is the example of sugar cane. Sugar cane store their food materials in the stem. As results, when we cut the stem and put in the soil, therefore develop the new sugarcane plants. Okay, this is known as vegetative production. This chapter is also studied in next classes. Okay, तो रिप्रोडक्शन सिस्टम से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, वो भी क्या होते हैं, लाइफ प्रोसेस की एक सिस्टम्स हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है, रेस्पिरेशन. व्हाट डू मीन बाय रेस्पिरेशन? रेस्पिरेशन मीन्स क्या होते हैं ना, ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे मस्ट बी नीडेड एनर्जी. Okay, without energy any living organisms cannot alive. But where from develop the energy? From the mitochondria, because we are all known mitochondria also called powerhouse of cell. Okay, but which are the raw materials for the preparation of energy? That is the respiration systems. The respiration systems occurred continuously day and night. 24 आवर ये रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम्स चलते रहते हैं ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में. ठीक है, प्लेस कहाँ पे है ना, सेल, साइटोप्लाज्म एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया रेस्पिरेशन की मेन प्लेसेस. ठीक है, द रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम्स occur through different process such as glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Okay, the respirations are mainly two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. These are, we will study details in next classes. Okay, these are the respiration systems. Without respiration systems, any living organisms have not create their energy. Okay, so respiration must be needed all the living organisms. Okay, understood? Next is excretion systems. Okay, in nutrition system, digestion system, respiration systems, basic introduction system or we are understood. But what do you mean by excretion systems? We are taking different type of food materials, different type of gaseous substance during the fooding. Okay, breathing. ये सब के टाइम क्या होते हैं ना, all materials are not used in our body. Some unused, undigested materials are released from our body. This is known as excretion systems. Okay, and excretion systems also present in plants also. Okay, plants excrete gum, resin. They release during daytime. They release oxygen. Okay, these are all the excretion product of plants. And humans excretory product is carbon dioxide, urine, okay, stool. These are the excretory product, okay, which are harmful for our body. And after refining the food materials, the waste materials are released from our body. This is known as excretion system. Okay, and last is transportation systems. Transportation systems means food materials, mineral nutrients transport all over the body. And in case of plants, transport the water materials from root to leaf, and And after preparation of food, the food material transfer from leaf to all over the body. This is known as transportation systems. Clear? In case of humans, the transportation systems proceed through our blood circulation systems. Bloods are helps to transfer the different type of food materials, nutrient materials, okay, all over the body to the bloods. The blood also known as liquid connective tissue. ठीक है, ब्लड को क्या कहते हैं, लिक्विड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू कहते हैं. एंड अनदर इज lymph also one type of transportation system. It also carry the different type of liquid materials. It can help to fight the different type of germs to protect our body. Okay, so this is known as transportation system. When we study transportation systems of humans, there we have to study the blood circulation system, structure of heart, in which way blood circulate all over our body. Okay, understood? In the next class, we have detailed study about nutrition, different type of nutrition systems in plants and also animals. Clear? Your students have any questions?
Yes.
Manish Patel, have any question? Queries?
No, sir.
Aryan, any questions? You have any question? No. Okay. In next class, you are all must be study the topic nutrition. Okay. न्यूट्रिशन को तैयारी करके आओ, नेक्स्ट क्लास में उसको डिटेल्स उसको स्टडी होगा नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए. ठीक है, न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस, व्हाई वी नीड
Yes, sir.
न्यूट्रिशन, ओके, मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, ओके.
Yes, sir.
How do living things get their food कैसे गेटिंग करते हैं, ठीक है, और उसको डाइजेशन कैसे होते हैं, डाइजेशन के लिए क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स चाहिए, ये सब के बारे में हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन टॉपिक्स में हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे. ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, व्हाट डू मीन बाय ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, डेफिनेशंस क्या हुआ ना, व्हिच ऑर्गेनिजम्स प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड, this those are known as autotrophic nutrients. Autotrophic nutrients. Autotrophic nutrients. ठीक है, these are known as autotrophic nutrients. अच्छा, for the autotrophic nutrients, plants needed some raw materials. Which raw materials are needed? Number one, carbon dioxide. Okay, water or sunlight. Where the light energy converting to chemical energy, where light energy converting to chemical energy in plants body. During photosynthesis, plants convert the light energy into chemical energy. After then, that energy transfer all over the living systems, ecosystems. Okay, so plants is very important for our environment, for our life. Okay. Autotrophic nutrients, there are also have many types such as photoautotrophic nutrients. That means which organisms are depend on light for their nutrition. Those are known as photoautotrophic nutrients. Chemoautotrophic nutrients, some bacteria they prepare their food from chemical components from the take from the environment. This is known as chemoautotrophic nutrients. Chemo means chemical. ठीक है, those are the types of autotrophic nutrition. क्या photoautotrophic nutrition, chemoautotrophic nutrition. Understood? Chemoautotrophic nutrition. Some bacteria are the chemoautotrophic nutrients. They have chemoautotrophic nutrients. Okay. Okay, time is going to over now. and 2 minutes left. Okay. We are continuously talking plants. They prepare their food through photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis they prepare the carbohydrate food. We have to study, is it truly they prepare their carbohydrate food or not. That means we have to doing one practical activities. Okay, so as a science student, you have so many work with your lessons, because science is a subject where have practical work. Okay, that means have some experimental work. प्रैक्टिकल वर्क मीन्स एक्सपेरिमेंटल वर्क. हम लोग जो पढ़ाई करते हैं वो सही में होता है क्या नहीं, उसका भी हम लोग टेस्ट करके देखना पड़ेगा हम लोग. ठीक है, जो जैसे क्या है प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट फूड बनाते हैं, उसका भी हम लोग एक्टिविटी टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा जो है सही में उन लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट फूड बनाते हैं क्या नहीं. उसके लिए हम लोग को लेबोरेटरी नोटबुक भी बनाना पड़ेगा, जैसे क्लास 9 में आप लोग बनाए हैं इस टाइप की. क्लास 10 में भी आप लोग को लेबोरेटरी नोटबुक बनाना पड़ेगा. ओके, समझ में आया क्यों बनाना जरूरी है लेबोरेटरी नोटबुक ने, ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंटल वर्क उसको कैसे किए हो उस चीज को प्रैक्टिस को आपको कॉपी में नोट करना है, इसीलिए लेबोरेटरी नोटबुक जरूरी है. ठीक है, खाली मार्क्स के लिए लेबोरेटरी नोटबुक बनाओगे तो तभी मार्क्स मिलेगा, ये मत सोचो.